This is the second problem from the May 2016 Algebra 1 released STAAR test. So let's take a look at this problem. They're giving us an expression here that we need to find the equivalent expression from the answer choices below. So our first step, let's look at the expression here. We need to look inside the grouping symbols. In this case we have parentheses here. So we need to try to combine any like terms. So we look at this first set of parentheses. There's no like terms there. We have an x term and an x squared term. And the second set of parentheses, we have an x term and a constant value of 3. So neither one of those have like terms. So our next step is to look for any negatives in front of the parentheses. Okay. So that second parentheses has a negative. So what we want to do is distribute that negative inside the parentheses, and then we'll drop the grouping symbol, drop the parentheses. Okay. So start from left to right. We have 2x squared. We're just going to bring it down. Okay, and then because we have a plus sign in front of the parentheses, our grouping symbol, we can just go ahead and just drop the parentheses. It's not going to make any difference. So we have plus 4x minus 6x squared, and then go ahead, the plus 9 is outside the parentheses, just bring it down. And then we have a negative inside in front of the parentheses, so we want to distribute that. So basically it's going to flip the sign of each term inside the parentheses. Okay, so we have a positive 6x, so we'll end up with a negative 6x, and then we have a positive 3, so it'll be changed to a negative 3. Okay, so our next step is to combine like terms. Okay, let's start with the x of the highest power. So we have 2x squared terms, so let's go ahead and combine those together. We have a 2x squared and a negative 6x squared, so together that gives us a negative 4x squared. Now let's go ahead and add up put together the x terms. So we have a 4x and a negative 6x. So together that's going to give us a total of negative 2x. Okay, and let's look at our constant values. We have two constant values, a 9 and a negative 3. And together they give us a 6. Okay, so we have plus 6. Okay, so let's look at which answer choice matches our answer. And it looks like answer G is going to be our best choice.